ready to level up your coding game and collaborate like a pro. First, let's create a safe space for our changes. By branching off the main repository, click the branch button, usually found near the top of the repository, and give your new branch a descriptive name that reflects the changes you're planning to make. Now, dive into your code editor and make the changes you want to propose, whether it's fixing a bug, adding a new feature, or refactoring existing code. Ensure your changes are well tested and align with the project's coding standards. Next, commit your changes with a clear and concise message explaining what you've done. Meaningful commit messages are super helpful for reviewers to understand the context of your work. Head back to your GitHub repository. You should see a prompt to compare and create a pull request for your recently pushed branch. Click the Compare and Pull Request button. Now, craft a compelling pull request title and description. Explain the purpose of your changes, any potential impact, and any specific areas you'd like reviewers to focus on. Finally, submit your pull request and engage in a review process. Respond to feedback, address any concerns, and collaborate with your team to ensure your changes are seamlessly integrated into the main branch.